In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to pass data and control seamlessly between the Volt MX native and the Volt MX hybrid web context. In the last tutorial, we had embedded the jQuery signature plugin to capture user signature. It was running in a browser widget or context within the native form. In this tutorial, let's see how we can accept the signature and pass the data to the Volt MX native context. Notice that in the FRM signature form, we have the HTML5 browser widget rendering the signature captured plugin. With native flex containers on top, with native buttons to cancel, clear, and accept the user signature. On click of assign, we need to capture the signature from the browser widget and assign it to the image widget on the claim form. We need to be able to execute the JavaScript code in the context of the browser widget. Set the native communication flag on the browser widget to on. Notice that in the function on accept click, we are evaluating a JavaScript function on the browser widget. This invokes the import image function defined in the local web content. Once the signature is captured from the HTML canvas using methods exposed by the signature plugin, we can pass the context and data back to the Volt MX native context by calling evaluate JavaScript in the native context function and passing the required parameters. The first parameter is the JavaScript function to be called, and the second parameter is the data to be passed. Notice that the store image data function is defined in the module file. In this function, we are simply mapping the data received to an image widget present in the form. Using a combination of the value in JavaScript and evaluate JavaScript in native context, we can seamlessly pass data and control between the browser and native context. Now that we have wired these events, let's run the app in App Preview. On clicking the Add Signature button on the claims form, we are taken to the signature form. We can sign on the canvas, and on pressing the Accept button, the signature is captured and is assigned to the image widget on the claims form. That concludes this tutorial. Please refer to Volt MX documentation for more information.